Hello! Today I'm playing Hogwarts Legacy on the Xbox Series X console. In this video I'll show you buttons, mapping, in the beginning let's go to menu, and now we have to go to control options. As you can see, we can check buttons mapping for gameplay, flying mounts, ground mounts and brooms. Everything is in the menu, so if you ever have any problem with remembering what buttons do what thing, just go to this menu and you'll quickly learn how to use all the buttons on the controller while gameplay. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.